I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and we have with us again our student intern.
Hi, I'm Carlina.
And Carlina, what are we making today in our craft video?
We are making grateful jars.
Grateful jars.
Mhm.
All right, here's mine. Nice. All right, so before we begin, we're going to start with one of our breathing exercises, and this one is called a power breath. So we're going to get ourselves nice and strong and ready to do our craft. So we're going to take a deep breath in and raise our hands up. And we're going to grab the sun's energy to make us strong, and we're going to say, I am strong, and then breathe out and go, huh. All right.
Mhm.
So our first one is going to be I am strong. So let's raise hands up to grab the sun's energy. I am
strong.
Ha.
Huh.
All right, good. All right, next one is we're going to say I can do it.
Okay.
All right, so let's take a deep
Okay.
breath in. I can do it.
I can do it.
Ha.
Huh.
All right.
All right, I feel we're ready to go.
Yep, kind of wakes you up.
Yes. So Carlina, what materials do we need for this craft?
Jar, bottle, Mod Podge or glue, tissue paper, Sharpie, and brush.
Okay,
All
great.
right. So what is the first step?
So the first step is you're going to rip up some tissue paper, any color, any light color.
Okay, I already ripped mine up.
We can,
Yeah,
we can use different colors, right?
Yeah, I have some pieces already ripped up too.
Okay,
All right. And then what's next?
And then so you're gonna take your brush and dip it in the Mod Podge or the glue that you have, and you're gonna put it on the bottle, like before you put on the tissue paper.
okay.
So wherever you want some tissue paper.
And if you're using glue, what you want to do is you want to mix the glue with some water so it's a little bit thinner and spread it on your jar.
Right, and it just takes a little bit of water with the glue.
Yes. And so then you just,
And yeah, and then you just put the tissue paper on, and then after you have the tissue paper on, you're gonna put more Mod Podge or glue on top of it.
okay. All right, so you're just putting it on and then painting over it. Great. These look really pretty.
I know, I like how the when you overlap, the colors kind of blend together.
Yeah, I like that too. And I like that the tissue paper is kind of like see-through almost a little bit if you have a glass.
Yeah.
Right.
And so then this just continues around, right?
Yeah, until you do like the whole jar or to like whatever level you want to do it at. You don't have to do the whole jar.
Okay.
But it's
And
up
then-
to you.
And then once it dries, then the extra fun part, I think, is you take your Sharpie and you write what you're thankful for, what you're grateful for, right?
Right.
Yep.
And I had done some already yesterday. One of the things I put was friends and family.
And I put, I'm grateful for my dogs. I have 4 dogs. And right now I'm gonna add on here my family.
I also have family and friends, but I also put this internship.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, that's nice.
And then, but I'm also gonna add dogs as well, or my pet sitting job. I have a pet sitting job.
Oh, fun.
Mhm.
And then what I'm gonna do when this is all dry is I'm gonna use it as, put it in the middle of my table at some point. And I have one of these tea lights that is on a battery. And so I dropped it in upside down, but if it wasn't upside down, when it's dry and you can see through it, you'll see a little bit of light shining through, which is always nice.
That'll be pretty.
Thank
And
you.
I was thinking too of, once I have it covered and it's all dry, having like my grandkids add words to it also.
Oh, that's a great
Oh.
idea.
Yeah, that's fun.
And you can
Oh.
use these for really anything. You could store stuff in them. You could put flowers in them to be a vase. And it's just a really nice thing to have on your table or anywhere to remind us of the things that we are grateful for.
Yeah, and it doesn't take very long either.
Yeah.
Right. No, I think they come out nice.
Yeah. I am very grateful that you are both on the screen with this video today. So thank you for showing us, Carlina.
Yeah, of course.
Yes.
And if you'd like to see more of our craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting.
Bye.
Bye.